Hi guys, we're going to be doing a geography lesson on primary economic activities. Primary economic activities are the foundation of a nation's economy. These include agriculture, mining, fishing, and forestry, which involve the extraction and production of raw materials from the natural environment. Natural resources. Natural resources are the materials and resources that exist naturally within an environment. These include air, water, soil, minerals, and fossil fuels, which are essential for sustaining life and powering economic development. Water. Water is vital for life. Water is essential for all living organisms, making up about 60% of the human body. Renewable resource. Water can be recycled through the water cycle, but its availability is affected by factors like climate change and human consumption. Distribution. Water resources are unevenly distributed around the world, leading to water scarcity in some regions. The water cycle. Evaporation. This is one of the three main parts. Water from the Earth's surface evaporates into the atmosphere due to heat from the sun. Condensation. Water vapor in the atmosphere cools and condenses into clouds. Precipitation. Water from the clouds fall back to the Earth's surface as rain, snow, or hail. So on the left, there's a diagram. Central Valley Project, California case study. The irrigation scheme. The Central Valley Project in California is a large-scale of irrigation and water management system that provides water for agriculture, municipal, and industrial uses. The benefits. The project has helped transform the Central Valley into one of the most productive agriculture regions in the world, supporting a diverse array of crops. Challenges. The project has also faced challenges such as environmental impact, water rights disputes, and need for sustainable water management practices. Fishing. Large scale fishing operations that harvest fish and seafood for sale to consumers and food processing industries. Recreational fishing. Fishing for leisure and personal enjoyment, often done by individuals or small groups. Subsistence fishing. Fishing to provide food and livelihood for individuals, families, or local communities. Sustainable fishing. Fishing practices that ensure the long-term health and preservation of fish populations and marine ecosystems. Overfishing. Depleted stocks. Overfishing can lead to the depletion of fish populations and the collapse of marine ecosystems. Bycatch. The unintentional catch of non-target species which can harm other marine life. Environmental damage. Destructive fishing practices can cause significant harm to delicate marine habitats. Economic impact. Overfishing can negatively affect the livelihoods of fishing communities and the global seafood industry. Reasons for overfishing. These are the three main types of overfishing: advanced technology, increasing demand, and insufficient regulation. So advanced technology, improved fishing gear and techniques have made it easier to catch more fish, leading to overfishing. Increasing demand, growing global population and rising seafood consumption have driven the need for greater fish harvest. Insufficient regulation, lack of effective fishery management and enforcement has allowed overfishing to continue unchecked. Now we're going to look at preventing overfishing. Implement quotas. Set sustainable limits on the amount of fish that can be caught. Regulate fishing gear. Ban the use of destructive fishing methods and promote more selective gear. Establish marine protected areas. Designate areas off limits to fish to allow fish populations to recover. Promote sustainable aquaculture. Develop responsibilities fish farming practices to reduce pressure on wild stocks. And the last topic we're going to be learning about is farming. Farming is the act of cultivating the land to grow crops and raise livestock. It is a crucial industry that provides us with the food, fiber, and other agriculture products we rely on every day. Farming requires careful planning and hard work and an understanding of the natural world. Types of farming. So these are the three main types of farming: arable farming, pastoral farming, and mixed farming. Arable farming focuses on growth crops such as grains, vegetables, and fruits. This type of farming is highly dependent on soil quality and climate. Pastoral farming. Pastoral farming revolves around raising livestock like cattle, sheep, and goats. Pasture management and animal husbandry are keys in this farming style. Mixed farming. Mixed farming combines both crop cultivation and livestock rearing. This approach helps diversify products and reduce risk. There are more types of farming, for example, dairy farming. Inputs, outputs, and processes. Inputs. Farming requires various inputs such as seed, fertilizers, machinery, and labor to produce agriculture goods. An example of inputs are cows. Processes. The key farming processes include planting, irrigation, pest control, harvesting, and post-harvesting handling. An example of processes is milking the cows. Outputs. The primary outputs of farming are the crops, livestock, and other agricultural products that are sold or consumed. So, the farm sell milk from cows. Impact on the environment. Land use. Farming can lead to deforestation, soil degradation, and loss of biodiversity if not managed sustainably. Water usage. Irrigation and livestock production can strain water resources and contribute to water pollution. Emissions. Agriculture activities such as fertilizer use and livestock farming can release greenhouse gases and contribute to climate change. Sustainable agriculture. Organic farming. Minimizing the use of synthetic chemicals and promoting natural pest management and soil fertility. Crop rotation. Rotating different crops to improve soil health, reduce pests, and diversify production. Renewable energy. utilizing renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to power farm operations. For water conservation, implementing efficient irrigation methods and recycling water to reduce usage and minimize waste. Okay guys, the chapter is finished. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.